Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways thanks to which you can activate the automatic system updates. The first one is more user-friendly and the second requires entering the settings, the advanced settings. So let's start with opening the options, the settings. And here in this left section, we have to go and find software update. You have to scroll all the way down to find it. So let's simply tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the option which is connected with the automatic download over Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to make sure that this option is marked. So just tap on the switcher and from now on, your device is allowed to download the software updates automatically, of course, whenever connected to the Wi-Fi network. Of course, you can turn this option off in the same way. And the second way is more advanced. And you will have less control, let's say. Your device will basically apply the updates overnight whenever it will be restarted. So you probably won't even notice that. Let's go to the About tablet. And here we have to go to software information. Let's localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. In my case, it is already turned on. As you can see, it will appear under the About tablet. So just tap on it and here scroll down to find the option Auto Update System. Simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. And of course, whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.